Friends, welcome once again to English video. As today we discussed about the mountain and squirrels objectives and question answers poem. We also discussed about the idioms. Now we will be discussing test your grammar part and fun with vocabulary. So test your grammar part. Test your grammar part. Page number 130. So page number 130. Open your books, listen to it, pay attention. Page number 130. Use the following reporting verbs in sentences of your own. Means you have to use these things in sentence of your own. जैसे कि told. I told her to come. Simple. I told her not to go. I told her to obey the teacher. Okay, anything you can write, but it should be of your own. Told should come, and it should come in the form of reporting verb. Next is screamed. She screamed when she saw the snake. Screamed म्हणजे जोर से चिल्लाना. Exclaimed. Exclaimed म्हणजे उद्भव हो जाना, म्हणजे उद्गार हो जाना, एकदम से सडनली थोड़ा सा आश्चर्यचकित हो जाना. तो she felt exclaimed when she saw me near her house. Said. She said me that she will come. Ordered. She ordered me to pay the money. Pleaded. She pleaded me to admit her in the class. Demanded. She demanded for a cup of coffee. Okay. So after that we will be discussing this fun with vocabulary is there. Fun with vocabulary. See now, fun with vocabulary in the words doubtless. Less is a suffix which has been added to doubt to mean without any doubt. Like that, you have to frame 4 other words with suffix less. Suffix is a word added after the root word. If you add before the root word, it will be prefix. So doubt plus less, doubtless, without any doubt. Care plus less, careless, without any care. Meaning plus less, meaningless, without any meaning. Okay. Careless, meaningless, hopeless. Hope plus less, hopeless means without any hope. Like that, you have to add the meaning. Careless, meaningless, hopeless, helpless. Helpless, 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 without any help. म्हणजे हेल्पलेस का मतलब ये होता है कि निस्सहाय. आई एम हेल्पलेस, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू, दैट. तो विदाउट एनी हेल्प. ऐसे करके आपको 5 वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है दोस्तों. नाउ फॉर द सेक ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. डेवलपमेंट, डेवलपमेंट. एंजॉय प्लेसमेंट, एंजॉयमेंट. एक्शन और रिजल्ट. उसका मतलब डेवलपमेंट का एक्शन और रिजल्ट है, तो इसका एंजॉय प्लेसमेंट का एक्शन इन जॉय. एक्शन इन जॉय. देन इट इज एंगेजमेंट. एंगेज प्लेसमेंट, एंगेजमेंट. टू गेट engage with someone. To get engaged with someone. Engage placement, engagement. Then enjoyment, engagement, amusement. Amuse placement, amusement. Amusement, action in रिक्रिएशन, रिक्रिएशन या फिर क्या बोलते हैं आप अम्यूज़मेंट को, एंटरटेनमेंट, ऐसे। तो अम्यूज़मेंट, एंगेजमेंट, एन्जॉयमेंट, एम्ब्रासमेंट, एम्ब्रासमेंट, एम्ब्रास प्लस मेंट, EMBRASS, एम्ब्रास प्लस मेंट, एम्ब्रासमेंट। एक्शन इन शेम, शेमफुल एक्ट होना। Now we will form to grammar. We will pass on to grammar. Ing form, that is, you just now we discussed about verb forms. So lesson number 13, 56, ing form. The ing form, example going, working, is often used after many verbs as object. Object verb बोलते हैं ना जिसको, वो. She began singing. I have finished writing the letter. Children enjoy playing in the park. I hate telling lies. My brother intends going to the States. I don't mind playing with him. Among the chief verbs followed by the ing form are admit, finish, miss, avoid, forget, postpone. Chief verbs followed by the ing forms are begin, consider, continue, deny, dislike, enjoyment, finish, forget, hate, imagine, intend, like, love, not mind, miss, postpone, prefer, propose, recommend, regret, start, suggest, like that. Some of the verbs listed above can also be used with to infinitive. A few verbs like enjoy, avoid, stop, finish, miss, admit, postpone, suggest take only the ing form and not the to infinitive. And to infinitive we have already discussed, friends. To infinitive I also gave you in the exam, but most of you have done it wrong. So to infinitives I'll be sending shortly the new video. The verb see, hear, feel, smell, notice, watch, find, observe, and listen are used with noun or pronoun plus ing form. जैसे कि we saw, see का saw, we saw Kishore crossing the bridge. Kishore was crossing the bridge, we saw it. I can hear somebody knocking at the door. So hear, feel, he felt his heart beating. I can smell something burning. Notice, we found him playing. We noticed him playing. He was watching the birds. Find का found हो जाएगा. We found him playing. As you have learned before, verbs like see, hear, feel can also be used with bare infinitives. The ing form is used after preposition. I am interested in collecting stamps. In, on are all prepositions, you know na. In, on, off, by, before, after, with, without, everything is preposition. Preposition दोस्तों हमने डिस्कस किया था. Preposition is a word used to show the position of noun. I am interested in collecting stamps. She is fond of singing. He earns money by selling wood. You should check the oil before starting the car. I had a lot of difficulty in finding his house. You can't pass the exam without working hard. We use the ing form after go to talk about things go out to do in their free time. Let's go swimming. It's on page number 57, friends. Let's go swimming. She went shopping this morning. He goes fishing on Sundays. Other examples are go riding, go walking, go driving, go sailing, go cycling, go skating, like that. Now, next page. Come to next page. In this, make sentence using enjoy and hate with ing form as shown in 1. Likes and dislike. Peter likes swimming. आपको ऐसे बनाना है. Peter enjoys swimming. He hates skating. Saroja loves knitting, but she hates cooking. She hates cooking, like that. Shankar likes playing, but he hates working. Rahim enjoys watching TV, but he dislikes or hates listens to the CDs. Like that, you have to form the 4 sentences using likes and dislikes. Vinod says about himself, I like playing guitar. I hate doing crossword. I don't mind going to parties. What about you? Write 6 sentences about likes and dislikes. Use like, love, enjoy, hate, don't mind, ing. तो दोस्तों ये आपके लिए है. यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट योर लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स. आपको क्या क्या पसंद है. तो ये टीचर विल नॉट टेल. Here are some more ideas to help you. Means I like to watch test matches. I don't mind reading fairy tales. I hate watching the news. Like that. You have to form the sentences of your own and you have to do it. This is for homework exercise 2. For put today's date and put HW. If you are watching the video, it's on page number 58. So, for next page, join the pair of sentences using ing form. Number 1 is done for you. Page number 59, दोस्तों अपन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. I saw Anil stealing the chocolates. Anil was stealing the chocolate. I saw it. So, how to combine it? I saw Anil stealing the chocolates. फ्रेंड्स इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस आएंगे एग्जाम में, तो यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. ही वॉज क्रॉसिंग द स्ट्रीट. आई सॉ इट. आई सॉ हिम क्रॉसिंग द स्ट्रीट. ही का हिम बन जाएगा. आई सॉ हिम क्रॉसिंग द स्ट्रीट. ओके. समबडी वॉज ओपनिंग द डोर. आई सॉ इट. आई सॉ समबडी ओपनिंग द डोर. हाउ यू हैव टू राइट? आई सॉ समबडी ओपनिंग द डोर. The children were playing. We watched it. We watch children playing. We watch children playing. Mary was waiting for the bus. We saw it. We saw Mary waiting for the bus. For a bus. We saw Mary waiting for a bus. It is raining. I can hear it. I can hear raining. I can hear raining. Gopi was reading my letters. I found it. I found that Gopi was reading my letters. Okay. Will that do? This kind of sentences are surely going to come in the exam. The heading of these sentences are join these pairs of sentences using the ing form. Number 1 is done for you and rest of I also dictated. So please try to complete. And talking about page number 58, you have to do on your own. Because it is your likes and dislikes. I don't know what you like and dislike. I just told you how to form and you can form with the help of that. Okay friends, see you then. Till then, take good care of yourself and watch the videos and try to complete the homework.